Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. And after that you can see this is search button. So just click on that and then enter your model number of motherboard B760M D3HP and then hit enter. Then after that click on the product. Then see this is your motherboard B70M D3HP. Then click on title, name of the title. After that click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. There are two motherboards, so you can installations process same. Select any, which is you using. Chipset, extract. So first install this one. Enter serial driver and click to download. It will start downloading. Wait few seconds. It will complete. Just open here and then double click to launch. Then yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds and this is automatically closed, means this is installed. Then close it. Then install Intel IMF installer and then click to download and just open it. After that double click to launch, then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And always try to install latest. You can see now this is 7700. This is latest. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. After that close it.